Today's Constitution Day, and at Mount Vernon we have, for the 225th anniversary of the Constitution, on view George Washington's personal copy of the Constitution. This is printed here in America, called the Acts of Congress. This is a remarkable object for people to view, not only because it's an original volume from George Washington's library, but it spells out in Washington's own hand those powers that he thought were required of him as president, the things that he must do. And you see a very, very rare thing with Washington. You see him writing in the margins and noting in the volume what he must do as president. We're also incredibly pleased for the first few weeks of this exhibition of Washington's Constitution to have on view, courtesy of the National Archives, George Washington's draft copy of the Constitution. And you can see here his handwritten notes and strokes as he is serving as president of the Constitutional Convention, and the document is under consideration by our founding fathers. So tremendous initiation here at Mount Vernon for Constitution Day and our 225th anniversary of the signing of the Constitution. And we hope that as many people as can will come and view it between now and George Washington's birthday in February.